On today's Growing Idaho, it may be the biggest challenge of our time in this community: housing affordability. With so much growth, home values continue to spike, and lots of folks who are renting right now just cannot afford to actually buy a home. But help could be on the way, especially for folks with not so good credit. For those of you with good credit, things could get a little tougher. I'll explain. Just like we said they would do, the Fed hiked interest rates again last week to try to curb inflation. But they also did something else to try to get more people buying homes in this slower housing market. Now, we're not talking about home prices or mortgage rates. We're talking about a particular fee on conventional mortgages backed by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. The fee is called the Loan Level Pricing Adjustment. It's the government's way of raising prices for riskier borrowers without putting a penalty on safer borrowers. The change to this fee actually has already took effect 8 days ago. The thing most folks are talking about right now is these changes mean that people with higher credit scores are going to pay more of this fee than they had before. Meanwhile, the fee will go down for people with lower credit scores. The Federal Housing Finance Agency says it's a step toward more even access to home ownership, and real estate experts say it could help.
I don't think it's going to disrupt the mortgage market tremendously for the high-rated borrowers. And if it helps the low-rated borrowers, access housing, it probably is not a bad thing.
So let's take an example of someone buying a $400,000 home with 25% down. According to NBC News, if they had a 750 credit score, their fee would go from $750 to a little more than $1,100. Now, someone with a 650 credit score, that's fair credit, would see their fee cut almost in half, from more than $8,000 to $4,500, although their fee overall still 4 times that of someone with a higher credit score. You add that to the still high home prices and mortgage rates, and experts say it's still getting more expensive for folks with bad to fair credit to buy a home right now, regardless of this fee change.